If you're interested in natural health and wellness, you won't want to miss this video on liver detox recipes. We'll take a deep dive into the functions of the liver and share some of our favorite recipes for supporting their health, including teas, syrups, and salads. Welcome to Meducatives. This is the official YouTube channel of www.meducatives.com. We believe that awareness is everything and our goal is to promote it. The liver is a vital organ that plays a crucial role in many bodily functions, including digestion, metabolism, and detoxification. It performs hundreds of important functions, including metabolizing nutrients. The liver processes nutrients from the food we eat and converts them into energy, vitamins, and minerals that the body can use. Detoxifying the blood. The liver filters the blood and removes toxins, chemicals, and other harmful substances from the body. Producing bile. The liver produces bile, a digestive fluid that helps break down fats in the small intestine. Storing vitamins and minerals. The liver stores vitamins and minerals like iron, copper, and vitamins A, D, E, and K. Regulating blood sugar levels. The liver helps regulate blood sugar levels by storing and releasing glucose as needed. Producing blood clotting factors. The liver produces proteins that help blood clot and prevent excessive bleeding. As the liver performs these vital functions, it can become overloaded with toxins, chemicals, and other harmful substances, which can lead to liver damage and disease. This is where liver detoxification comes in. Liver detoxification is the process of removing harmful substances from the liver and improving its overall function. Some of the benefits of liver detoxification include improved liver function. Detoxing the liver can help improve its ability to filter toxins and chemicals from the body. Improved digestion. Detoxing the liver can help improve digestion by increasing the production of bile, which aids in the breakdown of fats. Increased energy. Detoxing the liver can help improve energy levels by promoting the production of ATP, a molecule that provides energy to cells. Better skin. Detoxing the liver can help improve skin health by reducing the number of toxins in the body. Reduced inflammation. Detoxing the liver can help reduce inflammation, which is linked to many chronic diseases. There are many ways to detoxify the liver, including dietary changes, herbal supplements, and lifestyle modifications. I have handpicked 5 recipes that are not only convenient and effective for our viewers, but also include easily available ingredients that can be found in any kitchen. These recipes are also very simple to make and consist of teas, syrup, and salad options. With the help of readily available ingredients in our kitchen, we can prepare various types of detoxing teas and syrups that can effectively cleanse and detoxify our liver, improve its function, and promote overall health. Here's a recipe for an Ayurvedic detox teas that can help cleanse your liver. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 4 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. Instructions: begin by dry roasting the cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and fennel seeds in a pan for a few minutes until they become fragrant. Then, add 4 cups of water to the pan and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat to a simmer and let the tea cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, strain the tea into a cup. You can add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness, but this is optional. Turmeric tea ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. Instructions: add the turmeric powder and grated ginger to a saucepan with 2 cups of water. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, strain the tea into a cup. You can add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness, but this is optional. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help protect the liver from damage. Sugarcane juice is believed to have many health benefits, including detoxifying the liver. Here's how you can use sugarcane juice for liver detox. Ingredients: fresh sugarcane juice, lemon juice, ginger, optional. Instructions: drink fresh sugarcane juice on an empty stomach in the morning. You can also mix a teaspoon of lemon juice in the sugarcane juice for added flavor and liver cleansing benefits. Drink the sugarcane juice regularly for a few weeks to see the benefits. Here's a recipe for an onion, ginger, garlic, turmeric powder, and lemon syrup that can help detox the liver. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized onions, 1-inch piece of ginger, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, juice of 1 lemon, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of honey. Instructions. Peel and chop the onions, ginger, and garlic. Add the chopped onions, ginger, and garlic to a blender or food processor and blend until smooth. In a saucepan, add the onion, ginger, garlic paste, turmeric powder, lemon juice, and water. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once done, strain the syrup into a clean container and let it cool down to room temperature. Add honey to the syrup and stir well. Store the syrup in a glass jar in the refrigerator. To use, drink 1 to 2 tablespoons of the onion, ginger, garlic, turmeric, lemon syrup daily before breakfast. This syrup is believed to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and liver-cleansing properties that can help improve liver function and overall health. Here's a simple recipe for a beet salad that can help support liver detoxification. Ingredients: 3 to 4 medium-sized beets, peeled and sliced or grated, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Place the sliced or grated beets in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle the beets with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Roast the beets for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until they are tender. Remove the beets from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. In a large bowl, whisk together the lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil. Add the roasted beets to the bowl and toss them with the dressing. Sprinkle the chopped parsley over the top of the salad and serve. This beet salad is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support liver detoxification. The beets contain betaine, which can help protect the liver, and the parsley is rich in vitamins and minerals that support liver function. The lemon juice and olive oil in the dressing also provide additional health benefits for the liver. Before embarking on any new health program, individuals with underlying health conditions, as well as pregnant and breastfeeding women, should consult with healthcare professionals to ensure their safety and well-being. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website www.meducatives.com. You may like our free ebooks and medical and health educational products on our website. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing, sharing, liking, commenting, and pressing the bell icon to receive notifications for more content like this. Lastly, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.